Paul, do you still remember me? I'm Hunter. Yeah, I still remember the first time I met you. It was 2017. I think we met at the Din Tai Fung Dumpling. You remember that? You remember that? Yeah. I think my first image of you is you are very you're a gentleman, a very nice guy, and during these years, I think you always show your support to Taipei team, and we really appreciate your help. It will be very pity. It's a very big loss. We didn't have you to cover us in our GM ups. Um, but anyway, I think you have you're looking for another career, no matter what kind of career. I I wish you all the best to you, and do remember, come to Taiwan, and if you have a chance to come to Taiwan, please let us know. We can have a chat. Thank you.
Hi K-Paul, I'm Carrie. Long time no see. I hope you still remember me. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you. I really appreciate all your support and guidance. Working with you has been a great experience and I have learned a lot. I'm truly grateful for everything you've done for Taipei. Wishing you all the best and please don't forget to visit us when you travel to Taipei.
Okay, Paul, I have a mixed feeling about your leaving State Street. On one hand, I am really happy for you as you start this new chapter. But on the other hand, it's sad to say goodbye. Thinking about my early days of my career in State Street, you were my manager. I will never forget how you worked with us to push Air Force vendor to complete their task. Even though you don't understand the local language, but you still sat in the meeting room to show your support. It means a lot to me. And your leadership has always inspired me, teaching me how to motivate and empower a team. You have made me a better leader in Taipei. And even after you become APEC head and then global head, you 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 didn't stop supporting us. You helped us through very difficult moments, especially during COVID. I can't fully express my gratitude in just a few words, but I will always remember your kindness, your support, and your inspiration. I wish you all the best in your new journey, and I hope we can stay in touch. You are always welcome to visit Taiwan, so please let me know if you ever come by. Wish you all the best, and thank you for everything. Thank you, Keppel.